thing is that, say, IT has been the mother of all the value migration from Boston to Bangalore. And in last 20 years, the country has almost built a $170 billion of export machine. Very awesome machine they have built, and it is expected that next 2-3 years will be even faster growth than what we have seen in last few years. So we are staring at maybe $200 billion of export in maybe next 2 to 3 years time. So that's the big one, and there is acceleration. And in that situation, of course, biggies will do well in terms of 10, 11, 12, 30%. But the mid-sized companies, smaller companies, they have an opportunity to grow faster because economics remains pretty strong. And on top of it, what is happening is that work from anywhere, where the work is coming to the doorstep of the worker. I think the visa issues, which were always a problem in how many people can enter US, and hence what will be the mix of on-site and off-site and all, and the constraint on the execution. I think that will broadly go away, and hence very accelerated execution can happen, and we might see even bigger migration than ever before. So that looks to be one spot where things are going to happen. Second, I think insurance industries, they all the time they sell fear, and the fear has been the maximum today for the lives after the COVID or during the COVID. So I think having done a little less business last year, my sense is next 2-3 years, insurance industries, general as well as life insurance, particularly health insurance, life insurance, they should see huge pickup in their businesses. And penetration in any case is low. And then within that, between the private sector and public sector, you can see the migration happening from market share going from public sector to private sector. And a 15% growth industry may mean for the listed private sector companies more like 20-25% kind of a growth. And it's a very high quality business, so and very stable business. So those kind of things are visible right now, which may happen under value migration.